Good day to everyone. In this video, we will see about the flash fill. Now you can see here I have a table which consists of the mobile numbers. And if I want the first 4 digits from it, then I will just type the first 4 digit in the first column. Then I'll press the Control E. Now you can see that I have got the first 4 digits of the all the numbers here. Similarly, if we want the last 4 digits, now I'm typing the last 4 digits now, and then I'm pressing Control E. Now you can observe here we have got all the last 4 digits for the given phone numbers. Now in the same way, if I want the middle 3 digits, then I will type the middle 3 digits and then I'll press the Control E. Now you can see I have got the middle 3 digits of all the phone numbers. Now, what will happen when the middle 3 digits and the first 3 digits are the same? In such cases, we will get the flash fill of the first 3 digits itself for all the phone numbers. So, in order to give more clarity, we should manually type the middle 3 digits of the second phone number also, or whichever the data which we are referring to. Now the Excel, it gets the more clarity of which 3 digits we are referring to, and it will give the required result, or it will flash fill the all the data. Next we will try the same in the alphabets also. We can do it in the similar way as we did it in the numbers. That is, I am entering the first 3 letters of the name here, and then I am pressing Ctrl E. Now you can see that I have got the first 3 letters of the names here. Now we can try it with the last 3 letters of the names also. I am entering the last 3 letters of the name. Then I am pressing Ctrl E. Now I have got the last 3 letters of all the names I have written here. Now if you have similar letters in the beginning and in the end, you would get the beginning series only. Even though you need last 3 letters, you would get the beginning 3 letters only. In such cases, you need to fill another column manually and then you should press the Ctrl E. Similarly, we can combine the 2 columns also here. That is, if we have any columns with first name and second name, then first you need to write it down manually for the first name and then press the Ctrl E. Now you can get the desired result. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.